Hello children, good morning. In the last video, we discussed few examples. What they given in the textbook. Okay, let's work on few more examples and exercise sums. The example sum is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. The given question is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. Let's begin the solution. Children, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11. Three consecutive multiples of 11. 363. Let's assume that three consecutive multiples are x plus 11 and x plus 22. Let's assume the three consecutive multiples of 11 are x plus 11 and x plus 22. Okay. So find the sum of these three numbers. X plus 11 plus x plus 22. Sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. The sum is 363. Okay. Let's simplify the given equation. X plus x plus x. The sum is equal to 3x. X plus x plus x is equal to 3x. Plus 11 plus 22 that equal to 33 is equal to 363. X plus x plus x is equal to 3x. 11 plus 22 is equal to 33. That is equal to 363. Now left side constant part 33 plus 33 we transpose it to right hand side. 3x as usual that is equal to 363. 363. Yes, now we transpose this 33 to right hand side. Plus 33 becomes minus 33. 3x is equal to 363 minus 33. The value is equal to 330. The difference is 330. Now transpose this 3 to right hand side. Left side it is into 3. 3 into x. Into becomes divided by. So x is equal to 330 by 3. Into becomes divided by. Cancel 330 and 3. Both are cancelled by 3 table. Have a common factor that is 3. So cancel these two numbers by 3 table. 3 1 is 3. 3 11s 33. So the x value is equal to 110. X value is equal to 110. Now tell me the required three numbers. The required three consecutive multiples of 11. Consecutive multiples of 11. What are the three numbers, children? If first number is x, the next number is x plus 11, and the third number is x plus 22. Now we know the value of x, that is equal to 110. Can you tell the next number? 110 plus 11, and the third number is 110 plus 22. So the value of x is equal to 110. And the second number is 110 plus 11, that is equal to 121. And the third number is x plus 22, 110 plus 22, that is equal to 132. Children, if you observe the given question, sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is equal to 363. Find these multiples. Okay, we assume the given three consecutive multiples of 11 are x plus 11 and x plus 22. Okay, find the sum of these three numbers. The sum of these three numbers is 3x plus 33. The sum is given, that is 363. So let's simplify the given equation. So 3x as usual. So we transpose this plus 33, left hand side plus 33 to right hand side plus 33 becomes minus 33. 363 minus 33 is equal to 330. Now transpose 3 to right hand side. It divides. Left side it multiplies. So when we transpose it to right, it divides. 330 by 3, the value is equal to 110. X is equal to 110. Now we know the value of x, that is equal to 110. So the second number is 110 plus 11, that is equal to 121. And the third number is 110 plus 22, that is 132. Okay children, now see similar problem they given in exercise 2.2 7th sum. If you observe exercise 2.2 7th sum, similar problem that is. So the question is, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find these multiples. That is the given question. I repeat the question, listen. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Multiples of 8 is 888. Find these multiples. What is the first step? Can you tell? Good. The 3 numbers are, the first number is x, the next number is x plus 8 and the third number is x plus 16. Take the 3 numbers as x, x plus 8 and x plus 16. Okay. Next steps are as usual. Try that problem as homework. Children, the next sum is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Similar problem we can observe in example problem. Yes, they are in that problem also they give a perimeter of a rectangle and length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle is given. We find the length of the rectangle. Same thing here, but observe perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Here also perimeter is given. The length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Length not given directly children. The length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Yes, here we have to find the values of L and B both. Okay. Let's begin the solution. Write the first step. The first step is given part. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. That is equal to 154 meters. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Okay. So children, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Do you remember that? That is equal to 2 into L plus B. That value is given, that is equal to 154. Yes, the value of 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. Okay. So 2 into, what is the value of L? Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Okay. So width also not given. So take it as B only. The value of L is equal to 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So 2B plus 2. The value of length is equal to twice 2B plus 2. 2 more than twice. Twice means into 2. Its breadth. 2B plus 2. You understand this? L is equal to 2B plus 2. Okay, that is equal to 154. Yes, now we get an equation in single variable that is equal to b. Okay, 2 into 2b plus b. 2b plus b, that is equal to 3b plus 2. Add 2b plus b, that is equal to 3b plus 2, that is equal to 154. Transpose the common factor 2 to right hand side. 2 into L plus b. So now it becomes divided by 2. 3b plus 2 is equal to 154 by 2. 2 into L plus b. Into becomes divided by. 3b plus 2 is equal to 154 by 2. Okay. Now cancel these two numbers, 154 and 2. Cancelled with 2 table. 2 ones are 2 77s. 3b plus 2 is equal to 77. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. The value is equal to 77. So 3b plus 2 is equal to 77. Children, can you tell the next step? What is the next step? Transpose plus 2, constant product plus 2 to right hand side. 3b is equal to 77 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay, so 77 minus 2. The value is equal to 75. Good. 3b is equal to 75. Then very good. B is equal to 75 divided by 3. 3 into B. Into becomes divided by 3 into B divided by 3. The value is equal to 25. So the value of B is equal to 25. Breadth is equal to 25 meters. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 25 meters. If the breadth of the rectangle is 25 meters, what is the length of the rectangle? L is equal to 2 into, let's substitute the value of B into B plus 2. 2 into B value is 25 plus 2. Now we substitute B is equal to 25 into B plus 2 to get the value of L. Okay. So multiply, L is equal to 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 2, that is equal to 52 meters. So children, what is the length of the rectangle? 52 meters. What is the breadth of the rectangle? 25 meters. Let's once again listen. So in the given question, the given perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool, the value is 154 meters. Perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. The value is given 154. Now we substitute the value of L and B here. So children, if you observe the value of L, it depends on breadth. Breadth twice 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So the value of L is equal to 2B plus 2. Now substitute the value of L is equal to 2B plus 2 in the given equation. 2B plus 2 plus B. L is equal to 2B plus 2 plus B equal to 154. Let's solve the given equation. 2B plus B is equal to 3B plus 2, that is equal to 154. Now transpose 2, common factor 2 to right hand side. It divides. The simplest form is 77. 3B plus 2 is equal to 77. Transpose plus 2 to right hand side becomes minus 2. 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. 3b is equal to 75. Now transpose this 3 to right hand side. It divides. The value is equal to 25. B equal to 25. Breadth is equal to 25. If you know the value of B, we can find the value of L by substituting B is equal to 25 in equation 2. L is equal to 2B plus 2. 2 into B plus 2. 2 into 25 plus 2. 225 is 50 plus 2. The value of L is equal to 52. So, the length of the rectangle is a rectangular swimming pool is equal to 52 meters and the breadth of the rectangular swimming pool is equal to 25 meters. Let's move on to the next exercise problem. This is third problem in exercise 2.2 children. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeters. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Once again, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeters. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. Children, do you remember what is an isosceles triangle? In a triangle, when two sides are equal, it is called an isosceles triangle. Okay. So, isosceles triangle means in a triangle, two sides are equal. It is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, good. So, these two are equal sides. This is called base of a triangle. Okay. So, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. So, the length of base is given, that is 4 by 3 centimeters. Okay. So, base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeters. Perimeter of a triangle is, children, the sum of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter of the triangle. The sum of three sides